Hello again, guys and girls and whoever, all people of the universe, all people of the world. So I'm on one of those islands on the north of Netherlands. They're connected, and you probably know that on one side it's a sea and on another side it's a land. So they actually put water up and down, and that's how everything operates. And you can see beautiful Netherlands with and beautiful sea, North Sea. So that's it. That's just a short movie from this side. I certainly recommend that you go and have a look at that by yourself if you're interested. Otherwise, you certainly can look on video, and then you can see my bicycle ready to go further. And you can see how the water is really flying into. Yes. So thank you, guys. Like I said, if you're interested, you can subscribe. If not, don't do it. I love you, and I will make more videos to prove that to you. And that's the reason that my videos are not so nicely and beautifully decorated, because I just wanted that you get clear love without war kitsch on it. So great, have a great day. I love you and goodbye.